Mihang'o thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta ni utanyitwo gugatharara tariki 20 mweri uyu angikorwo aruti wira thibitari-ini uyu aria mari rungu rwa kiama gia KUDHEIHA ni magakinyaniria murugamo wao wa kugoma.
Nurses, the clinic officers, laboratory technicians, the interns, the subordinate staff, anybody working in Kenyatta National Hospital, we will not be working on Monday the 20th exactly at 7 a.m.
Akirekereria rianirira riri mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Albert Njeru ni ugite ni makarugamia motungata mothe maria maheanaga thibitari-ini uyu kuona mageria mao ma kuhinyiriria mendekithia mao mahingio megi ngirimiti ya WUIGUANO ya mwaka wa 2021 nginyanagia 2025 maguagira matungi nini.
If we shall have not negotiated our collective bargaining agreement 2021-2025, signed the CBA and registered the CBA by 18th, Kenyatta National Hospital employees will have no other choice but to lay their tools down.
Njeru ni ugite kuma mwambiririo-ini wa mwaka muhituku urugamiriri wa thibitari wa Kenyatta ukoretwo kimerithiria ati ukoretwo uri na miario na kamiti ya kurumbuia mishara SRC no mishemanio no ndiri yaciara matunda ona thengia wa aruti a wira ya gukorwo na wetereri munene.
When we are supposed to be negotiating and renewing our CBA for 2021-2025, there seems to be a problem. There seems to be a discord. And there seems to be having no amicable solution. Our cycle in the CBAs with the government, parastatus, is 4 years according to Salaries and Remuneration Commission.
Kuhanoguo Minister wa Uruti wa Wira Florence Bore ni arerithiirie kiama giki gugacemania na tariki 13 muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite niguo kuhe miario no muhari wa mbere na angikorwo matikaiguithania miario-ini no mathie na mbere na kuheana mukana wa gukaiga miro yao thi tariki 20 mweri uyu.
We will not have solved our problem of negotiating a collective bargaining agreement for the year 2021-2025 by Friday.
Oho kiama giki ni kiugite ti wendi wao wa gukaherithia muingi no mari na ihoto ciao iria ciagararitwo ni Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri na Ministry ya Labour.
We have our own right as workers of collective bargaining agreement. Solidarity forever.